Hello guys, this look like my first animation of Countryballers. And it's like YouTube both not Countryballers. So actually I not belongs to Countryball until I really make about Countryballers. So actually I did it with Countryballers inside. 10 days exactly. The next thing is this guy asked me how to create things like that. So okay, let's do it. So I just make one more models in my collections. So you can download this link in the description. Actually look like 3B contributors here, but this actually is a problem. So if you download the press download, it's not actually working. So I put this one mouse because this like have arrows. It just download the old version without the head and two more characters. So let's download this. So I still have this inside. So better if you do animation, you have to copy maybe all of this. But actually, if you just belong to both inside, there are nothing like hacks needed, so it's okay. Next thing is press copies of them and move to new files. You can see the new version. It have ads, two characters, and not many facts about eyes. Well, of course, the eyes, I think I have to fix it. Okay, delete all of this. Shift A, plane, tab, scale 1, 2, 2, 10. Okay. The next thing is copy this paste this thing. Okay, and you have to hide the eyes somewhere, not hit it, not seeable in the sense, so not many people can see it. The next thing is you have to color the controls. Actually, percent of animation already deletes the tutorial about how to make this controllers because there are three animators make about it. There are Flippo and one more, but I don't remember the name, and me. So you have to delete or not. Many people will make clones. So also I have already find out how to make principle of animation. So he might be trying to assassinate me. Okay, next thing, press the right click to this vertical splits and go this to see the editors. So here you will go to take pictures. Actually there are many flags I download. Okay, so let's use some of them that is symbols. Okay, just take these flags and make us the tutorials. Okay, like this will happen like this. Actually, it's not a good idea. So let's go to UV editors, or you can press Shift 10 and choose it. UV editors. Next thing you have to unwarp it, and it will be things like this. So go to X-axis to view. So go to about here. Rotate this a little bit. Actually, you know, rotate this. Okay, just let's make about this and rotate 180 degrees. You can type 180 degrees to rotate it. You see there are some of the neat part. Like PWA animation, I will try to go here. To choose multiple things, you can press Shift or Shift to select many things at once. And next thing we have to scale this thing here. Yes, like this. We have a Countryball. Nice. But where's the eyes? So we have to use this eye over here. So this most simple one is this happy face. This is the idle one. So often I will duplicate it so I can use in many controllers that I added my animation. Let's see, I move it about here. About here is okay. Nice, perfect. Next, I have to rotate this so it can hit. Then not many people we can see inside. It is one of the fools that you can see if you watch Philippo's animation. You can see that there are few problems with that. I'm trying to improve. So actually this is good, okay, pretty good. The next thing is I have to shift things to stop to this thing here. This actually was a bank. I have to choose this empty plain access. This thing. You see that it is a nice thing. Put at the middle of your controls. Make sure at the middles and select all of the control. Make sure the last thing to select is this thing. The next thing is Control P and set an object which transfer. Okay, name this one by press right click. You can use some of the hotkeys, return files too. So let's name this is readable. Nice. This is serving numbers. Also, you can make the other thing of it, like just move this guy to here, and you can make things like let's him wear a USA glasses, and the pretty good things, not bad. I use. Okay, so we also have a guy with glasses. Let me move down a bit. Okay, nice. We have two Kachimaros. Okay. The next thing is we'll check the modifiers. It have these modifiers here. So you can see this is the modifiers. So how to animate it? It'll be easy. So you can see this part you see is the factors. Make sure this is the there's a symbol form. Make sure it is this. So um, in this symbol form, you can see the factor here with the sketch line. So you can do things like this. It's actually look like a picture of animation, and I'm very happy when I see it. That time I don't think it's easy like this. And the next thing we will animate it. So it's about 10. We press this. This actually is a setting keyframes. It's very cool. And this turn 20. We make it like this. Of course, the glasses to we go up to, but I think don't need much. These actually very hard to do if you add some more stuff is okay like that. You will see like this. Yes, very cool. you see that it's very great if we use it as this. Very nicely. So you can only set keyframes if you press the keyframe for add the keyframe for factors. You can also press it's a keyframe by press press I, and you will see these locations, rotation scales, and custom properties. So that's the properties. Custom properties is the factors properties. They will set a auto keyframe for all of these factors, and also this thing maybe all. The next thing is edit for the eyes. To move the eyes with these things, uh, just go the keyframe with this chapter T. You can press this if you want. By the way, if you're not good, well, oopsie. Uh, okay, let's turn off this so they are not getting changed. You can see it's very great. Also, the same with this. And to let you know why I added this, because you can see that it will let you rotate the controllers without anything. It is the same with the without this, but I will let you see what happens if you not do it. But at least, so this is the normal controllers without anything. So I will let you see what if it rotate with the eyes too. See, it's not right in one axis, and the eyes is actually is changing places. That's why it's not good. And with this axis here, you rotate. It is normal. Let me rotate it a little bit. Too fast. I think let's make this about 80. Yes, you can see it doesn't change the eyes anyways. It actually work very good. Very nice. And like that, you can render animation. To not do few things is if the animation is running below 20 fps, you actually have to press simplify to only viewing. If you don't need to view much things, just like view for know how the animation actually working, and just press simplify in there, change all these to down 0, or if you don't need, just turn off it, because this is changing the view part. The next thing is you have to change the setting in render. So you have to choose the file, just pressing this to choose the files. You could choose the file format. I often choose FMPEG video. And if you want to edit that video, you have to edit the video again, or you change the file format to the MP4 files. The next thing is render the animation. You will press Ctrl F2 train to 12, or you can press this to render animation for you. Also, you can change the end things, because it is the one that is stopped, the frame that is stopped. So this will make a good repeat if you make this to a gift. Very nice. Okay, so just press render if you want. But actually, I just make the tutorial and it appears. So you will say you already know things that you already learned in these tutorials. It's how to not cough. That is how to add frames to the factors and how to rotate the controllers without eyes changing. So that's all. Well, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe this channel so I can add more tutorials about blenders for you. And thank you for watching.